singing your baby a lullaby? What are you singing?
I'm singing her a little. Twinkle little star.
Twinkle. How you wonder? Yeah.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Little star, what you are.
Up above the world so high. You got your own version. What's your baby's name?
Her name is Sally.
Sally? Your baby's name is Sally?
Yeah, that's what my goat Sally.
Your baby goat Sally? Yeah.
Yeah. That's my baby.
Your baby goat? Aww. Very cute. Tossing stuff. You get tickled for that. Don't toss stuff.
Hey, look. Look at my baby. Her sweetie with the toy.
Aww. That's a pretty cool toy for the baby. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go check on the other baby. Bye, you did it. So apparently you were a really good girl at school today. Yeah, you took a 3.5-hour nap. Oh, Lordy. You gave you lots of food? That's good, Alexa.
No.
No what? Say hi.
Dinosaur now?
Abby, say hi.
Can I play ball with dinosaur?
Oh, almost. I gotta get it ready, okay? Waiting for your sister to finish her snack. Hi. I'm not saying hi, Mama. I'm drinking my milk. Mmm, is it pretty nummy? Hey.
There's a fly.
Yep. So my snack says you can't have it.
Is that her snack?
That's her snack,
Not
yeah.
her happy.
You can try it. I'm gonna ask her if you can have some.
No, I don't like that. I like cheese.
Okay. She grabbed it as soon as she walked up. She's like, nope, we can't have my snack, woman. Well, you want to share your snack with sis? Can you toss that in the trash for me, please? Thank you. You want to go up?
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful you don't suffocate her. Watch your arm. Careful. Good job. Cute. What's up, Grumplet? Want to say hi to everybody? No. My name is Ethan, and I'm Grumpy.
No, Mama.
I am Mama. Yes, you are Ethan.
No.
But you are Grumpy.
No.
Yeah.
No, Mama.
I am. Is Mama Grumpy?
Ethan.
Is Mama Grumpy?
I said that.
Yeah.